If you're watching this video, maybe you are looking information about Freedom Accelerator. This is a high-ticket product. The creator of this course is Jonathan Montoya. And basically, this course is packed with practical knowledge. So check this out. One of the main things that he explains in his course is the four phases to freedom roadmap. And here, the phase number one is how he went from 0 to 10K per month. And basically, this phase one, as you can see in the screen, we have all these lessons. How to build the automated sales system, which is basically a sales funnel. And then we have this knowledge about how to get traffic to that system using short form videos, using artificial intelligence, faceless videos, Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing. And phase two is how to use YouTube to get traffic to our sales funnel. Now, one of the hardest part is building these automated sales funnels, because you need to build an opt-in page to collect emails and leads, and you need to have copywriting skills, because if you build like a page with simple words, people are not going to put their information, which is their name and their email. And then you need to build the email sequence, the nurturing sequence, record a video for the bridge page, and then you need to create a YouTube channel and start creating content so you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel as well, so you can grow up your social media channels. And that requires time and effort. That's why he built a done for you system, which is inside of this software. The name is Funnel Freedom Data. And this is Jonathan's software, and you can utilize this system to start driving traffic to an opt-in page that you don't have to create, because it's already set up inside of the system. And the only thing you just need to do is to copy and paste your affiliate links for these products, and then start sending traffic to the opt-in page so you can start collecting leads. And this system is going to send emails automatically to nurture your own email list, and you're going to promote all of these products in the back end, which is basically with email marketing. So check this out. You can promote the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Secret of Success, Funnel Freedom, which is the software, also System Data Joe, Get Response is an email marketing software, Repurpose Data Joe, BidIQ, InVideo, TubeBuddy. And the only thing you need to do is to copy and paste your affiliate links inside of this page, and then start sending traffic to this opt-in page, which is the Freedom Ascension. So here Jonathan created a free course that you can give away for free in exchange for the email, and the system is going to start sending all the emails for you. And this course has 7 modules, as you can see in the screen, and this is the opt-in page. So instead of building your own ecosystem of products to promote, you can utilize this done for you system. So check this out, how anyone can start the #1 beginner friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click this button, you can collect the name, the email, and also their cell phone number. And then we have here an entire email sequence. So check this out. I'm going to click on automation so you can see the workflow, because here we have like 6 nurturing sequence of 60 days. So I I'm going to click on white label course. So right now we have the welcome sequence. So these are published, and the first 60-day Norton sequence. But we have 6 Norton sequence of 60 days. So this is a powerful strategy because you don't need to build your own sales funnel. You can utilize this software and then study all the lessons about traffic strategies, short form videos, artificial intelligence faceless videos, Instagram, Facebook, DM closing, and also it has a complete module on how to grow your YouTube channel. And I used this training, the phase number 2, to build my YouTube channel. So this training helped me to get to 1,000 subscribers on my English YouTube channel. And the other thing that you need to know is that Jonathan is going to increase the price of this training. So right now is $14.97, but he's going to increase the price on December 1st of this year to $19.97. And also, let me show you, this is my affiliate dashboard. So I have been making commissions with this system. So these are my latest payments. So I have here, as you can see in the screen, commissions that I have earned by promoting this product. I have sent to this company 114 referrals, and I have 17 customers, and I have $16 in unpaid earnings. And he's going to increase the percentage of the commission. So right now is 35%, but from December 1st, we're going to have 40% recurring commission. And these are my affiliate links. So if you want to get access to Freedom Accelerator, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can get access and you can start utilizing the software and start learning how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch by utilizing FunnelFreedom.io, which is a software that basically is going to do the all tech stuff, so you can just focus on the traffic strategies and you can start like floating or sending a lot of people to your own system. So check this out. I have right now 9 people enrolled, and this isn't works because I got my first commission in less than 30 days. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.